Hey my friends. Today I show you something epic. Sup, the guy from Unison hit me up to try the MIDI chord pack, so I thought, yes why not? It's probably a lots of fun, and I get a bit cash also haha. So guys, I went into the Unison MIDI chord pack, and firstly I realized how huge it is. It is over 1000 chord progressions to choose from. So guys, we are not here to just look at the pack. I get straight into it and grab a chord progression I like. So I try these. It sounds very good. I think we can build a nice future bass kinda track out of it. Maybe a track like Nurko. I want to let it play a little bit lower, so I drag it down real quick. Lovely. As we have the chord progression ready, we can choose some nice chord presets that fit the vibe. These chords are just lovely. I put them all into one channel, cut out some low frequencies, gave the OTT and distortion, and with a fruity balance right here I made the sidechain manually later. Together it sounds like this. A lovely foundation if you ask me. Now we are searching for some good lead presets. I prepared a little melody for you right here. I also put them all into one channel and gave them almost the exact processing as the chords. Together the lead melody sounds like this. Then I searched for some sick gritty bass presets in Serum and made these thick bass line. I separated the mid-basses from the one sub-bass, and processed the mid-basses like this, and the sub-bass like this. This is the whole bass line. To give the track more depth, I thought about to add some very nice pads like this. And I wanted to make the background a bit thicker, so I took some core sounds from Omnisphere and let them do their thing. Now guys, I show you the drums. I love this kick. I layered some snares with claps. I added an impact sound, a crash sound, and some drum fills.
And in the second part of the drop I added some hi-hats for more dynamics. Now my friends, I show you the sidechain. I've done it manually with the fruity balance right here. I just cut out the volume every time when the kick hits. To make the whole thing a bit more interesting, I made a distorted lead fill which sounds like this. I made it out of a few of my Serum and Synth presets. For processing I cut out the lows and mids, gave it a big amount of reverb and stereo enhancing. Distortion, I let it pan from side to side, And done. My fellas, we are almost done. I've done a lazy build up to finish up the whole project. I added the same chords right here. For example, right here I added a beautiful piano. I love piano. Right here I added also a bass. These whole thing I gave a cutoff automation. And last but not least I added some build-up drums and risers, and now we are done, my companions. The Unison MIDI chord pack is really easy to use, and if you do know nothing about music theory, or if you just lazy like me, the MIDI chord pack is very useful, and this is my honest opinion about it. If you want it, check out the video description to get it with 60% off, my fellas. Now we can check out the song we have created. As always, I thank you for watching. Bye guys, I love you.